This is a 1963 E-Type Jag Series 1. This car came in a couple weeks ago. This is my favorite car in the world. It's got the covered headlights. Beautiful car. This is not a conversion that I did, but it is a conversion that I am adding to and basically upgrading. So I put in power steering, we've added an alarm, and I'm updating the system that runs the rear motor to something that's more dependable. So this should be done in another week or so, but it's, God, it's just such a nice car. It's got a Tesla large drive unit, so it's got some 600 horsepower now, and it's got a full Tesla pack. So this has got 90 kilowatt hour battery pack, so it should have some pretty decent range. I've repositioned the pedals, added power steering, so it should drive a lot easier now. This is a work in progress, so now it's got the power steering. I've added an electric parking brake. I'm going to upgrade this shift selector so that it'll actually have like a low range on it. I got the gauges working. One of the things I'm very proud of is this is all the extra wire that was behind the dash. It meant that you had to kind of just mash everything in, which doesn't have your car be dependable. Because there's nothing worse than having this really fabulous electric car and having some wire that got snagged and disconnected and now it doesn't drive. But still, it's a sexy car. It's a really sexy car. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you find this useful. Like and subscribe. Write to me. Let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'll do my best to get to everyone. I'll see you on the next one. Ciao, baby.